Hi, I'm Efrain Ruiz from Community Honda in Baytown, here to show you the new 2020 Civic. So this is the Honda Sport, 158 horsepower, new redesigned front bumper with LED headlights. You also have these lovely 18-inch alloy rims. Let me show you the inside. On the inside, you have a nice, comfortable, sporty space with leather and cloth. You have the sport accents, 7-inch touchscreen display. In the back, you'll see plenty of room for you and your family. Now, the trunk space, surprisingly large. You have a 60-40 split, so if you need to actually put them down and have more space for your surfboard or just more groceries, you absolutely can. For the fuel, capless, so that way you don't have to worry about any faulty sensors about your cap being too loose. All you have to do is just put it in, take it out, you're ready to go. As the doors are open, the cap will be open. When the doors are locked, this is locked as well. On the other side, you can see that there is plenty of space. Keyless entry, keyless start. You have all your buttons here for your mirror adjustments, powered windows. You have your manual adjustment, telescopic steering wheel, allowing you to adjust it any way that you like. You have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay built in, allowing you to connect your phone and also allow you to use your own navigation right on your car. And if you have any more questions, again, my name is Efrain Ruiz from Community Honda, where everything we do is centered around you.